Epa lagunok ongetorri lasto Javelin, kanalera ongetorri Warhammer, End Times, Vermintide.
Don't stay up too late. I've got work for you to do.
Honetara eta, bueno, badirudi Twitchen zenbaitara so ditu dala, ez dakiz zergatik ez dituzten. Zuzenekoen partida horiek no esango nuke partida horiek deskargatzen usten eta abar, eta beraz hemen ekarriko dizuet mini bideo txiki hau eta dena hau hemen Victor Sapilsterekin edo zer moduz moldatzen garen misio txiki honetan. Bale, dena ondo. Zuzenekoak eta ber noski ingo ditugu Twitchen, gaina helburua lortzeko gero eta gutxiago falta da, ni uste du soberen helduko garela guztion artean, hau da Warhammer End Times Vermintide bijolatzen dugu guztion artean, beraz alde horretatik arazorik ez dugu izan. Vale, Guerrilla, Marcus, Victor, eta Bart.
Still no luck finding that Karak Zoom of yours? It's
DLC partida tuzungo honeko hau. Eta beraz, bueno.
Back to the illusory world of Uber's right you go. It seems that there is
gertatzen dena gertatzen dela medio, ni hemen gauzak egotzen ditut irabazi zen galdu. Baustu delako hori ere mesetegarria dela eta pertsona guztio moduan beti irabaztea posible ez delako. Naiz eta beste pertsona batzuen kontra izan eta inteligentzia artifizialaren kontra izan. Bueno. Conforme.
The plague is here. Seek it out.
That sister should not be defiled. They deserve our protection.
We should take care not to get separated. This place isn't warm.
We'll have to go through the crypt. Listen up! That's a Kazaki door. Hatred fuels my purpose. It shall fuel you also.
Eskerrak gutxi gara kontrolatzen dudala mapa honen gauzak eta bestelean arazoetan amontzatu.
Look at that armored brute! We're blatant sense! You can hit a slow, lumbering target after all.
Gustumi! Anderson!
The transgressions of the faithless.
Aye, you've mastered a trick known to an elf child of 3 seasons.
Hush! There's a blind storm. Rage Basana! Savage!
Oh, look, I've forgotten about that. Never mind. Ignore me.
Vale, Olizia. Zue zaitu goinez ikusten tale
Trollalat! You must hear it too! Grimnir's beard is hurling!
A troll! Mark
espada, todo.
Didn't feel a thing. Run, mighty duo! The high and mighty elf is hitting me! Can't go straight! Or can?
Pero es la que me queda ganar un poco ahora de estar a ver. Ya quería risco aquí.
The fine strike connection! Last one's the only one that counts. Not sure the troll would agree. Imbibing a potion. My shields up, get behind me! A blight stormer! The air thickens with filth!
The sorcerer's controls the vortex. Strike him down! Take it out!
There really is more fun on the battlefield than anywhere else, mate! Have I wronged you? The geese don't there, not me! Corpse piles for their lunch.
I cannot shoot without ammunition.
A drop of this will help me along. Excellent! More ammunition!
Vale.
Follow me!
Medicines.
The trail leads
vale,
us into those crypts.
That heavy tread, arrogance in every step. It's a Chaos Warrior.
Fire!
Life leech lurking, mayflies.
Feel no pain!
Vale, caca.
Maybe answers. Maybe our own deaths.
Oh, a fat-ass blight stormer! Down here!
Chaos Warrior's dead.
Healing draft here! Don't let me die with my boots on!
You're sorely wounded, Kruber. Down here. Precious Greaves. Healing
Come,
drop.
wretches! I have scores to settle! Twice the glory!
Ah, la picútara.
Kill this all day! That's a leech of note. You're wounded, sir! We killed the leech, Johnny!
Strangler, bring it down. Don't let it touch me.
Bagoraki with shields! Potion here! He's in Blightstormer! Sing your songs of safety! No more plague from you, sorcerer!
Hori ezen hartu nahi nuen zera, baina bueno. De bizitza oso txarto nago. Baina, bueno. Horrelakoak ere gertatzen dira.
Shield-bearing Zagaraki!
Zagaraki eskabena.
I do believe you're getting better at this, dwarf.
Aye, well, takes a few battles to get the big boy the way it should. And to shake off that keg of ale you downed last night, I shouldn't wonder.
They reek of plague. Kill them quickly.
By the hammer! Supplies attack! By Tom! Anyone else healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
You'd look better, Cruiser.
Gas rat!
Lucky head. Watch out your shield rat, Blunderbuss.
Pick up your feet! Move!
Vale. Bizite, baina, bueno. Taldekideen konfidentza izan behar dudanez, alde horretatik arazo.
Down here, I suppose.
Pikutara. Bueno, ez behitultuko dira.
Dead ends, definitely. Oh, they got me. Help move it up, will ya?
Bueno, entzat mapan ikusten dugu. Baina hemen inoiz eta jakitzen zaren pikutara bego bizitza.
Healers get!
You're barely strapped.
You ungrateful swine! Get there! Nothing let them get away!
Vale, hemen.
Shield vermin among them! Medical supplies at last. Over here, quickly now. I can continue so long as the bindings hold.
I think you're on the right path. Probably.
A ver, geldo doa, baina, bueno, beste batean geldo.
I think we broke the warp fire thrower.
Hotrat! Grunny's magic and globe at the air! I think it's this way. Tracks. Keep your eyes peeled and your weapons sharp.
Vale, me está el de tío, este es el... Hor bizitza asko bat
Here,
dezake.
ammunition.
Chaos warriors. Not a pretty job, lol.
Bizkanaka.
Stunner warrior comes for us. Stun ready. Right through.
By the Grail, there's a lot of them.
Past these graves.
Kill them! All you've got? Ah! Really?
Eso es un monstruo que alguien no dice.
Your eyes dim, Elf. Is
There is no escape. Now the taste for mindless slaughter. Who'd have thought?
Keep moving. Look and weave, Dory. Give the gunners a moving target.
Ahora voy a hacer una burrera piscina.
Sigma curse you. Keep up.
Blessed Grail, that was a bit close.
Go! I'm right behind you.
Careless, Raki, careless. I could track these blindfold. Where's the skill?
Fire!
Boasting our bell.
Wary of the ambush in here. The vermin are sneaky.
You drive his bot. You take pain?
Now, that's a stunner leech.
Here. What fire throwers?
Enchantress, an assassin.
Stunner leech down.
I can't deny that you know how to kill elf.
Ah, this is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I claim.
Vale, el video donde se conduce era esa burrera.
Wait a minute. Two known regiments vanished without trace at Hogger's Bridge. Help! Help! All should be revealed behind this door.
Pero la guía no ya sabes primero.
These stairs go up!
Up, evil one! I will end you! Shatter the cauldron! That should lift its curse! You're barely hanging on one.
Even a dwarf needs tending. The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding. Ha-ha! You want another beauty? Aye!
Vale. Dena bikuta. Bueno. Taldekideen ganberri, se marko du konfidantza.
Hope you get through, but plenty left to do.
Rest again.
Ruben's down! He's gone! Dory, we found ourselves a few plague Oh! Dory, oh, give us man a moment, will ya? your hate. It will give you strength. Be careful! Gas rat!
Vale. Agian bagate joate ez da izan aukerarik onena kasu honetan. Baina, bueno.
Stone shot! Coming in!
Silence, rats! You undo me!
That witch straight from the Volsmere.
Grimnir's here! Gas!
How dare you strike me down?
Crunch! No more would tell me! Gas! Kill the fucking black stormer before he kills me! Gas! The gas! Gas that fucking black! So that's it! Think we annoyed him, Dory! Get out of here!
I need help, guys!
Boy, what the hell? Help me out!
Bueno, lagunok hau izan da dena, izan dugu irabazi eta hurrengoan gehiago eta orain ia esperientzia puntuak eta hori zenbatera heldu zaigun eta bar. Ya espero una pijo. Todo charto. A ver. Bueno, maiko txulen ditu. 600... Agian, sespireun inguru bai. Hasi topatzen dugun orain.
The shadow magic protecting us works better at night.
Alright. Bueno, lagunoko izan da den, ez gustoko izan zaizule, dorrengoan gehiago